In the world of tech and vehicles, surprises often come on four wheels. But for the electric vehicle juggernaut, NIO, their latest unveil might just fit in your pocket. On September 21st, after many delays, NIO is finally set to step into the smartphone sphere, veering away from its typical track of electric vehicles. A recent launch of the new NIO EC6 dropped hints of the new venture. In the initial 50 seconds of the broadcast, a smartphone made its elusive appearance multiple times, stoking curiosity about NIO's foray into the mobile phone market. With exceptionally slim bezels on all four sides and a curved screen, it's evident that NIO's commitment to sleek design isn't confined to cars. And for those who despise that pesky notch or the bothersome bezel for the front camera, NIO's potential answer is a diminutive punch hole in the screen's center, a design choice favored by some of today's top-tier phones in China. For the tech-savvy, Antutu has already given a glimpse under the hood. With the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC at its heart, flanked by a colossal 12GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, it seems NIO isn't skimping on the specs. Oh, and for those who want to nitpick about storage options, there's a choice between RAM 16GB and ROM 1TB and RAM 16GB and ROM 512GB. Courtesy of China's mobile device certification process, we now know it is Lens technology, hailing from Hunan. This isn't their first rodeo. They've been supplying Apple with lenses and related components for their iPhones and have a rapport with Tesla that spans over 2 years. NIO received its CCC certificate on September 15, revealing more of its upcoming phone's specifications. Just when you think the smartphone market has peaked in its power wars, NIO's phone promises fast charging with a staggering 100 watt. To draw a comparison, the newly unveiled iPhone 15 series seems to linger around a 27 watt charging power, assuming they maintain their predecessor's specs.